Hello, everyone. Welcome to my podcast. My name is Alex. Today, we talk about daily life.
Hello, everyone. My name is Emma. I am happy to be here.
Many people learn English every day, but they cannot talk about life.
Daily life is very simple, but speaking feels really hard.
If you talk about daily life, English becomes easy for you.
Alex, what time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 every day.
Do you feel tired in mornings?
Yes, sometimes I feel very tired.
What is first thing you do?
I check my phone for messages.
I do the same every morning.
Then I wash my face slowly.
Do you brush your teeth early?
Yes, I brush my teeth daily.
What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat eggs and drink tea.
Do you eat breakfast every day?
Not always. Sometimes I skip.
Skipping breakfast makes me tired.
Yes, food gives us energy.
How do you go to work?
I go by bus or walking.
Do you listen music outside?
Yes, music makes me calm.
What music do you like?
I like calm and slow music.
Do you study English every day?
Yes, I study a little daily.
What part is hardest for you?
Speaking is hardest for me.
Many people feel same problem.
That is why we practice talking.
Do you feel stress during day?
Yes, work makes me stressed.
What do you do then?
I take deep breaths slowly.
That helps your mind relax.
Yes, small habits help life.
Do you drink coffee often?
Yes, I drink coffee afternoon.
Coffee helps you focus better.
Yes, but too much is bad.
What do you do evening time?
I come home and rest.
Do you watch videos sometimes?
Yes, I watch YouTube videos.
Learning videos or fun videos?
Both. Balance is important.
Who do you eat dinner with?
I eat dinner with family.
Family time feels very warm.
Yes, it gives peace inside.
What do you do before sleep?
I think about my day.
Do you make plans tomorrow?
Yes, small plans help focus.
Do you write plans somewhere?
Yes, I write simple notes.
Do you feel thankful at night?
Yes, life is not perfect.
But small things make happiness.
Yes, daily life is special.
Alex, can I tell a story?
Yes, I like real stories.
One day, I felt very lost.
Why did you feel lost?
I had no clear direction.
Many people feel that way.
That day was very stressful.
What happened that day?
Everything went wrong for me.
Bad days teach us lessons.
Yes, pain feels very heavy.
Pain makes us stronger inside.
How do you stay motivated?
I remember my small goals.
Big goals feel very scary.
Small steps make big change.
That sounds simple and true.
Simple ideas work best always.
Sometimes I feel very lazy.
Motivation comes and goes.
What do you do then?
I start with easy tasks.
Easy tasks give good feeling.
That feeling creates more action.
Do friends affect daily life?
Yes, people change our mood.
Good friends give good energy.
Bad friends drain your energy.
Choosing people is important.
Very important for mental health.
Do you use social media much?
Yes, but I limit usage.
Social media wastes much time.
Yes, time goes very fast.
Do you compare yourself to others?
No, comparison kills happiness.
How can someone grow daily?
Learn something new every day.
Even small learning matters?
Yes, small learning compounds big.
That gives me hope, honestly.
Hope keeps people moving forward.
Did you ever fail badly?
Yes, many times in life.
How did you feel then?
I felt sad and angry.
What helped you recover?
Time and self-belief helped me.
Some people quit too early.
Success comes after patience.
Patience is very hard skill.
but patience changes everything.
Do you dream about future?
Yes, dreams keep me alive.
Are your dreams very big?
Yes, but steps are small.
That makes dreams reachable.
Dreams need action every day.
What message for listeners today?
Do not fear simple beginnings.
Life changes step by step.
Speak English through daily life.
Your life is the best classroom.
Thank you for listening today.
We hope this helped you.
Practice English every single day.
Do not wait for perfection.
See you next episode.
Take care. Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this lesson, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell. See you in the next lesson.